James just did it right. He was the right mix of smart and caring and sweet and inquisitive and different, and it was perfect. And nobody could do it better. Ryan holds this movie for the entire time in the present day story by himself, which is really hard. But he had this puppet to talk to. And I think that made for a real relationship in a way that, looking at a tennis ball never can. I think movies work great when they give you a comfortable chair to sit in and take you a place you've never been before. And I think that's a perfect description for this movie. I don't think that you've ever seen space like this. I don't think that you've ever seen Ryan Gosling give a performance like this. And I think that the relationship between Ryland and Rocky is legendary and important. It was not a CG character at all, and I will say that that was Chris and Phil, who know about, they're animators, they know about puppets, and they knew that if there was a real live object there, it wouldn't just be important for Ryan's performance, but it would give heft to the storytelling and the movie and the character.